we're back here for, it's just a points race. It is the Tilford Tribute. There's no sprint cars tonight. It's late models, mini trucks, super or pro stocks, and then pure stocks. I think they've got some other coupes or something running here, but anyway, should be a decent car count, 1,000 to win like it was last week at Petaluma. But anyway, track looks like it's in pretty good shape, so we'll take a look at it here in a second. All right, rolling down to the track. Hopefully I don't get any water on me from the water truck. There's the crazy on-ramp. Try not to bottom out when you get on this thing. But track, they're laying the water on here. We're probably gonna have to pack track tonight. But there it is. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited about tonight. There's really not a whole lot of stress. We're just here to win. That's it. There's no points. We're not in the points here. We're running the Extreme Series, and we missed the first race, and then we missed the second race because we went to Petaluma last week. So yeah, we got one goal in mind tonight, and I think we qualify. So hopefully we can get the car running pretty good. To get a good. I ended that video quickly because I was about to get ran over by the water truck. He was honking, so I had to end that video quick and get the hell out of there. But anyway, stay tuned to the video if you can. Hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and stay tuned. Well, we're going out for to pack track. I guess they ran out of transponders or something, so we're not qualifying tonight. We drew like dead last, so I don't know, 1,000 to win. Figure some cars will show up, and we have 7 cars tonight, so I don't know. The late model scene here is not looking too good. Are complete. We only got like 1 lap in, and the car just wasn't running right, so we think it might have been a bad plug, so we changed all those and then retimed it, so hopefully that'll do it. But got my helper here with me today, so hopefully she gives me some good luck. But the heat race is next. We start 6th. Stay tuned. All right, it's kind of a hustle to get the car done. So I don't know what's going on with it. It's ran perfect last weekend, and now it's just down the straightaway. There's just nothing there. So now we're going checking the fuel pump, fuel filter, and then he's going over the carburetor. So hopefully that does the trick. So we're starting dead last in the main event, which isn't that bad because there's only 6 or 7 cars, so not too bad. So anyway, main event should be rolling up here in like an hour, and if the car's good, we'll stay out there. If it's still chugging along, I'll make a decision kind of where we're at and how many cars are left to what we're going to do. So bear with us, and main event is coming up.
Continues on. Oliver a little sideways in 3 and 4. Matt McKelly has entered the chat for second. McKelly shows Oliver a nose. 6 the bottom. Oliver much more straight through 3 and 4. He hangs on to second as Brown Jr. now wants to take his shot for third. He's got his right rear up on the color change. He inches ahead of McKelly. Dives low. Can he take second? Oliver says no. Oliver second, Brown third, McKelly fourth, Jinkerson fifth at the line. 15 down, 5 to go for Trimble. He is slowly encountering his lone traffic of the night as he approaches. park area, make their way towards the NRAC fire-off zone, and we're green. Green, white, checkered on tap for the limited late models. Down the backstretch, Brown hangs with Trimble. He enters top. He drives it in deep into turns 3 and 4. Trimble takes the white flag. One more trip around the Placerville Speedway. $1,000 on the line. Dan Brown Jr.'s not letting him get away easy through 3 and 4. Who's it gonna be? Ray Trimble wins with the NRAC Limited Late Models.
Top 3 to Tech.
Sideways, and then I'm like, and then I see you. I kept seeing McKelly's nose down there. I'm like, sure, let me see if you run the high side. And I had one lap.
Most badass hauler ever. Some out of Mad Max. All right, main event is over and went from, I don't know, 6th to 2nd. So we got the hard charger tonight, which was a bonus, I guess. So little one here, not so little, 7 years old. She's happy. What do you think of the night?
It was great.
It was great?
Yeah.
Okay. Lady of short words. Anyway, we run here next weekend, just a points race, not an extreme race, and see if we do some actual tuning on the car to make it a little bit faster. But the car was pretty much on rails for not working on it all night. We just, we were dealing with little gremlins and stuff, so we got that taken care of. And anyway, you got anything else to say?
Yeah.
What?
Peace.
Peace? All right. Like, comment, subscribe, and we should have another video coming out next Sunday. This one should be out on Sunday, the day after we race. So anyway, until next time, we'll see you later. Ready? Go peace.
Peace.
All right, bye-bye.